What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, or tonight, I should say, because it is roughly 7 o'clock, 7:30 at night. But working on Nissan Altima 2020, doing front brakes, and look how hot them things got. Super duper hot. Hot spots all over them. I'm gonna dive right into it. Not gonna play any intro games or any of that stuff. Dive right into this. You're gonna need a 14, a 22, 21, pull your tires off, something to press your brakes in, torque wrench. Then brake lube and your parts. Pretty straightforward. I know people love brake videos. I don't know why. This costs, anybody can do brakes, but let me grab my tools. Pretty simple. First things first, we're gonna use this. Pull off our caliper. 14 millimeter, 2 bolts. Pull it off, just give it a little tug. Yes, mine is on a lift, makes it easier. Oh yeah, she was getting low. Throw them on the ground, do whatever you need to. 22 millimeter, I got a swivel. Don't need one, but just in case. Make sure I got it going the right way. Yep. I'm gonna try to do this quick, simple video, quick and easy. Uno. And dose. There's that. Put my gun down. One of them fell out. Normally they don't do that. Pop. Take a brush, something, clean it up. Make sure your sliders slide nice and easy. These do, which I hope so, because it is a 2020. Trying to find somewhere to set that. BFH. Full good wax. She's got a good lip on the back. Backs are just as bad as the fronts. Gonna wear a brush. These are not really all that bad. Kind of go over a little bit. Know they make a tool to clean these. I do not have the tool. Looks good to me. I'm gonna clean off our mating surfaces. This is a brass brush. She is dirty. Don't breathe in the dust. It doesn't have asbestos or any of that stuff, but not good to breathe that stuff in. I'm gonna clean it off. Got her clean. Now, let's grab our rotor. I will get y'all some part numbers. Uno momento, por favor. Throw your rotor on this. Put her on backwards. Little spritzy spritz. Clean all that packing grease off. That's on there to keep it from rusting during shipment. Same thing to this side. Ooh, where's the lug nut? Need me the lug nut. That'll hold it still for you. I'm gonna put our Barake hardware on. And these are a little tight. Toy like a toy girl. At least that's what I heard. I don't know why tigers are tight, but apparently they are. So cleaned up the threads a little bit. Got a little blue Loctite on there, thread locker. There was a Loctite brand. We have Permatex brand. Not a sponsor, I should say. But if y'all want to sponsor me, reach out to me. I will take it. Come on. All right. Torque spec 79 foot-pounds is what all data says. Double check them. Dims is tight. I'm gonna go with this brake pad, brake compressor style. Maybe. No, we won't, because this one is tighter than the other one. Looks like I'll be using this style. And go slow, don't try to force it. Feels like it's getting too tight. Stop, don't let it bind up on you. Don't want to bust a caliper or a piston. These are metal pistons. So you can bust them. I'm not saying that you can't, but it's a lot harder than the composite pistons. Back into your home system. Brush, clean off the caliper a little bit. Mating surfaces. I'll see what the problem is on this one. She's got a busted boot. I'll let them know about it. They might be good. It did go in easy. It wasn't like it was super hard. But I want to let the customer know that on your next brake job, you're probably going to need a caliper. Which is pretty odd considering, this is just brake grease, in case anybody's wondering. But pretty odd considering how new this car is, but it's still 5 years old, but still. Things just aren't built the way that they used to. So if you notice, it tells you which direction and tells you where. Inner right hand, outer left hand. Left hand is going to be driver's side if you're in America. And then that one says inner left hand, outer right hand. So, put a little bit of brake grease on the ears of these. Don't go crazy with it. Just on the contacts areas. Contacts. Good grammatical English you have there, Corey. So this is the inner. Get in there. Oh, you're not getting on there. Okay, this is the outer. Get in. Ow. When did a leaf fall in there? Okay. I'm gonna hit the pusher sliders on just a hair. These torque to 30 foot-pounds according to all data. Let me grab my torque wrench. Thirty foot-pounds. And 30. Spritz the spritz. Get off of there. There we go. Brakes are done. I will tell you, whenever you get ready to test drive it, seat them in. Because you're supposed to do a seat-in, break-in procedure on these, on any brakes, to be honest, so you don't glaze them over. But before you get into it and take off, make sure you pump the pedal till it gets hard. I got to put a cotter pin in that because there is a cotter pin missing for the axle nut. See that hole? I'm going to put a cotter pin in there for them because somebody's done an axle and didn't do that. Shame. But like I said, just step on the pedal 4 or 5 times until it gets hard, and then crank it up and then go for a test drive. And where you kind of want to sit in brakes is just kind of get it up to 20, slow down, hit the brakes a little bit. 30, 40, and 50 is kind of how I do it. Everybody has their own little procedure. That's just how I do it. But do break them in slowly. Don't do any like abrupt stops because you can glaze them over pretty easy. But if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section. I get to them as soon as possible. You know a little trick to doing this quicker. Let us know. Or if anything's wrong about torque specs, let me know because I get all my stuff off of All Data now. Used to get off Pro Demand, but I had some issues with that. Several times the torque specs are wrong. Let them know. They did update it, but still, it's not a good thing. But like I said, if anything's wrong with the video, let me know what it is. I'll try to fix it. Put it in the comment section. Let everybody else know. But do appreciate all the likes, subscribes, notification bells, comments. Like I said, thank y'all for everything. And y'all know what I always say. If I don't get tongue-tied right here at the end, torque is tight. Y'all have a great day.